Hi, we're at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside of Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at a 2023 Caltex 3CHW48 Tri-A 3 open car carrier. Up front we have our hitch, safety chains, and our breakaway box. This car hauler does come with 2 heavy-duty jacks on the front of your trailer. There is enhanced visibility on this trailer with the open concept design. This trailer is 48 feet long. We also have reflective safety features along both sides of your car hauler, as well as a durable exterior with powder coated black paint. We have the spare tire accessibility underneath your trailer. This is a steel frame. We have LED lights. This trailer does come with 3 700K 8-lug axles. There is also foldable ramps on the back of your car hauler, as well as our rear brake lights. This trailer does have heavy-duty axles, as well as our passenger side storage box. Once again, this is the 2023 Caltex 3CHW48 Tri-A open car carrier trailer. If you are interested in this trailer or any other trailer we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.